Welcome to Technical Drawing. Today we'll see how to draw a square prism of side 30 and axis height 60 is resting on one of its corner on HP. With axis makes an angle of 45 degree with HP. They can even ask you how base making an angle of 45 degree with HP, and we need to draw front view top view of that. So it is resting on one of its corner, right? So corner will come on right hand side. I'm drawing a 3D shape, but it is too inclined. It's not that much inclined, but you can make out that it is resting on corner like this. So we can't draw directly resting on corner, so axis should be perpendicular to HP. So it will be somewhat like this and then incline. So what we'll do first, we'll start with true shape. Now whenever axis perpendicular to HP, then top view will give you true shape. So in this case, square will come in top view. So first we will draw square. Then I'll project everything vertically. So in front view we'll get rectangle. You can write ABCD in top view. This is A dash, B dash, D dash, C dash. Now corner makes an angle, axis makes an angle 45 with HP, with base making an angle 45 with HP. See, both, meaning of both is same. So you draw 45 degree, take this distance and you cut on it. Take this distance and you cut on this. Then you draw inclined line like this. Then you take height and you cut height over here. So height is 60, so you cut 60. So this way axis makes an angle 45 degree with HP, as well as base also makes an angle 45. Then you project A dash from here and A from here, you'll get A. Same for B dash, D dash and C dash. So you'll get respective points. So we will get A, B, C, D like this. Now same way we can mark the lower point also, PQRS. See, like this, so you can mark PQRS like this. Now when you see from the top, what you can see, the upper part ABCD will be dark and boundary line will be dark. So first we will do that. See this, A to D and A to B will be dark. Now if you see A is the dark corner, from there every line will be dark, so A to P will be also dark. And if you see, R is the dotted corner because it is away from observer, so all the line passing through R will be dotted. So R to S, R to Q and R to C is dotted. So this way we have done front view, top view. So I hope you people have understood this. Thank you.